We're back for another one, another week, another video with Angela. And the little one. And I think we're going to, oh yeah, this market, so we're going to, what's it called?
What?
Is this called just like a, what kind of market is this?
Oh, I'll look it up. It's just a farmer's market.
Oh, okay, farmer's market, yeah. Gold Coast too.
I'll look up the name of what it's exactly called though.
Let's see what they have. Here it is. And Angela got Ooh, some pie.
When the flowers are so fresh, I can smell it through my mask.
This girl right here has a fit too with the Fendi and the Gucci shoes, pumpkins and stuff. There's little Malia getting her grilled cheese. Well, I forgot where we left off last on our vlog, but right now we're at Michael Jordan's house and
it's
wearing
raining.
Yeah, and it's raining, but we're wearing at least Bulls gear, so it's appropriate to at least come here. But a fan suggested us to come here, so let me shout you out real quick.
A subscriber, like, are they fans yet? I don't know.
Well, he subscribed. Let's see. Oh yeah, so Arbor, thank you for the video suggestion. So we're here every single time this wind comes. But anyways, this house is on sale for almost $15 million. So I'll maybe insert some like drone footage of like what it looks like. Or here's the gate, and it like literally goes down over there. Dude, this camera. But it looks like it's in an expensive neighborhood because these homes right here, they all look kind of big. And actually, I think it looks like Michael Jordan's neighbor has their gate open, but we're not here to trespass. It's really cool. I'll show some drone footage of his house, and yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do after this, but
I don't know what we're gonna do after this. You do. We're getting macaroons, like.
Well, right away.
That's what I thought.
All right, well, I guess we're gonna go get some macaroons right after we take some pics. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Oh my god,
That's a lot of groceries.
This guy just got a grocery delivery. What is that? Ooh, he got graham crackers. He's gonna make s'mores.
Oh, he definitely is.
Yeah.
I feel like that's the only reason why you buy graham crackers, you know?
Yeah, or like,
you know,
some sort of little fall treat.
A little fall treat? Are you getting a fall treat right now?
Yeah. Support.
Yeah, we'll support this place.
We're here to support.
This place. Very quiet. Look at all those macaroons and quiche. I think that's quiche. Croissants. What do you think?
Passion fruit.
Oh, lavender. Chocolate, raspberry, matcha, hazelnut, apricot, green apple, lemon, lychee rose.
It's not the same.
Yeah, it is. Oh.
Look at this.
Ooh. Are you treating me? Are you treating me? So right here, we just went to this place. Shout out to my sister for recommending this place, but right here, this is the French lavender, so 3 of each. This is the hazelnut. This is the raspberry, because raspberry is my favorite. And this is the lychee. And if anyone else keeps on correcting me, it's lychee. Say it however you want. This is the lychee rose macaroons. So right now, let's do a little taste test for the French one first. Definitely lavendery.
I need to spit out my gum.
That's really good. Hazelnuts next, right here. Mmm. Very nutty. It's a lot harder to chew because of the nuts, but it tastes like Nutella. You know how they have the French flags here too. Alright. Next up, we have the Alright, so next up we have the raspberry.
Why don't you just set your camera as a tripod?
I just want to like leave it like this, whatever.
He just I tell you guys, the way he reviews stuff is he'll like literally take my, oh, it's so good. Now let's try the next one. Oh, it's so good. Like, he just wants to.
That is so light.
Airy.
I think lavender for now is my favorite, then hazelnut. So it's going in order. So let's last one. Dude, these cars passing by are ruining the audio, but whatever. So last one, the lychee rose. Let's give this one a try. Oh my. Dude, you're gonna love the lychee rose.
Really?
Uh-huh.
I need to spit out my gun.
It literally tastes like, it literally tastes like roses. Like if you go to a rose garden, smell it, it's exactly how it tastes. It's crazy. I'm gonna try another hazelnut one though. Hazelnut is like my favorite. I think hazelnut, so it goes lychee, lavender, hazelnut, and raspberry. But I'm gonna try one more hazelnut. I'm gonna leave this for the rest of my fam.
I'm dead.
Really, that was really good.
I don't know which one to get.
What you got? In order.
This is the passion fruit, chocolate, lychee, rose, strawberry, green apple, Madagascar vanilla bean, and French lavender. I wanted to try the green apple because I was thinking about switching that one out, so it's kind of like I need to know I made the right choice.
Fire?
Yeah, like not artificially tasting.
Well, it's not in GMO.
I was scared it was going to.
They literally said it.
I really like it. But
Good.
still, I think it
Yeah, I know what you mean. Like, it doesn't feel fake. Well, by the way, we're in downtown Evanston, if anyone is wondering. We're like right by Northwestern.
Maybe we'll come back here
At one.
some other time.
Oh yeah, we will.
Tomorrow?
I don't know. Oh, French lavender?
Going in. I don't know why it's kind of misleading, but none of these are like crazy sweet too. Like so light, and like it's the crunch and fluff. Like you can see like how it's crunchy, and then on the inside it's like soft, and then there's the cream. You know. I don't know. I want to try the rest.
All right, fine. I'll let you try the rest.
Okay.
We'll rendezvous when we rendezvous. Alright guys, so that is the end of this vlog. I forgot my camera somewhere at home actually. So thank you guys so much for watching this, and be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And always, as always, thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot that everyone watches these, and whoever watches these. I really appreciate it, and check out this car in front of me. So pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys next week for another vlog. We're slated for another opening kind of ish vlog. It's gonna be really cool. But anyways, see you guys.